another day. We got Gino here. What are we doing here today?
I guess we're gonna be replacing your stock rear camber arms and then replacing them with the ISR ones.
ISR, yes sir.
Okay, so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing.
All right, so first step, take out the tires.
So what kind of baller lug nuts do we have?
We got the Nismos, baby. Yeah,
Oh man, you way out of my budget.
and this car has.
What type of wheels are these?
These are the Raise Engineering T37s Time Attacks. They're 10.5 in the back. Offset, no idea.
We could probably find out right now. Offset will probably be, it'll be somewhere here. That's a 19, what is this? 690, 10.5. Oh yeah, that could be it. 10.5, 19 by 10.5. Damn, that thing is really dirty. It's a plus 22.
Offset is 22?
Yeah.
All right.
One wheel down, one more to go. Let's go look at what are we going to be replacing. So it looks like we're going to be removing, my guess is this. No, my guess is this. Here we go with this. No, I'm wrong. I'm so wrong. Here it is, this one. We're taking this one out. Yeah, sometimes you know, you don't know what you're doing. You just come to help. But we're gonna be replacing those camber arms and then putting these bad boys right here. These ISR Performance rear camber arms. Looking pretty sweet. Shouldn't be that hard. Remove one bolt over there. And then another bolt right here. So that should be pretty easy. Looking pretty sweet with his stock over here shock absorbers.
Hey, whoever took his shit, so
Yeah, these are it, man. Looking pretty good though. And we even have some kind of washers right here. Or
so anyone trying this, what's the first issue we run into, Gino?
well, I guess first of all, we thought we could separate these two apart, but it was pretty difficult, not knowing that this is just inside this other one, so we had to loosen this one up first. And just loosen this one up by holding this one should get you enough, and then you loosen up this one because this nut right here is already inserted into, basically this is the insert to this one right here, so it's not gonna go anywhere.
Yep, so first issue. Well, first issue is solved. Now I guess we're gonna start removing the old shit.
Looks like it's from this side over here, and then let's see. So it's a nut, well, the bolt and then nut, so we're gonna have to hold it from both sides, and then nut and bolt both sides.
All right,
so yeah, so
what size do you think it is?
they look like either 14 or a 16.
All right, let me give you those.
16?
Oh, 17 right here.
A bit loose. It probably is a 17. Yeah, it's a 17.
Okay.
Just hold it right.
Are you gonna get it off?
Yep. Got that one out already.
All right, fellas, goes Gino. So basically, in order to take out the rear camber arm bolt, you have to basically loosen up the sway bar. So basically you have to loosen up the end link up here, take out these two 14s, now it's dangling. Use a rubber hammer to kind of hammer out the bolt, which is right there chilling, and basically go ahead, take off this one, and now basically Gino's playing.
Well, I'm adjusting this, so I'm just gonna try to see how far we can go out, and then push it all the way back in, and then adjust this one because I want to see, you know, how far we can go.
All right.
So we can do this.
Where'd this come from?
Oh shit! I was just fucking around and look at it. Came out exactly the same.
And that's what I want to do is, like from OEM, I should probably go a little bit more out.
So
Right, because I'm cambered in.
Alright, yeah.
So I don't know how that would work.
So we're just gonna have to open this up a bit more then. Because as of right now, I fucking just nailed it. On my first try with it.
Damn.
First try, man. Look at this. Came out pretty good. But yeah, I'll just extend it right now. And then we'll go from there.
Alrighty, so pretty much everything here is nice and loose. So basically we're gonna hop over to the other side and take off the, pretty much went ahead, did the other side, the driver's side. Now we're gonna do the passenger side. So pretty much in order to get access to the bolt right here, for the rear camber arm, you can't really take it off because the sway bar is in the way. So we're gonna have to basically loosen up the sway bar, remove it from the end leg. But first we have to take out this plastic trim, and all it is 3 8mm bolts. That way we can take this off and we'll have full access to the sway bar bolts and also the camber arm bolt.
So while he's kind of doing that, I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased. I just bought this off a friend of mine. It's a 97 Civic EX. He basically had it for a daily track car. It came with a bucket seat, basically stripped out interior, which I have some pieces to install, but I have to go to the junkyard and find some interior pieces because I kind of want to make this like a actual daily, but kind of track it as well. Came with has a single cam VTEC D16Y8. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap this car myself. I'm probably gonna have somebody else just do the front bumper and rear bumper because I'm pretty sure that's gonna be a lot harder, but everything else I'm gonna try myself and see how that goes. But yeah, this is my 97 Civic EX. So what he's doing right now, he's gonna remove the bolts off the sway bar, and then after that he's gonna remove the bolt from the sway bar to the ending. Pretty easy process there.
But this one has a hand ratchet, huh?
Yeah, the hand ratchet, or yeah, that one right there. The power tools are always the best, guys. You can never say no to power tools.
I think this doesn't have the balls to break it.
Well, that's why you break it by hand first.
Like, wait. Damn.
No? Righty tighty. Yeah, you're going the right way.
I don't want to break this shit. Let me go pick up my hand tool.
Well, back to hand tools, guys. Let me see. Hold it from the top.
Like, wait. You know what? Let me put this shit back.
Lesson learned, guys. First, take out the bolt from the end link, and then take these out.
Oh yeah. So now we got this bolt off. Now this. There we go. Now it's time to maneuver the bolt.
See if I can get this way.
Okay. Beautiful. So now you can see she's out. Basically right here. Now right here. Now for the fun part. Now Gino's.
Well, I'm just gonna be installing this, and then we're gonna just adjust the camber. So this bolt's already in. I think this is the nut put it right here. And the one goes here. Just kind of basically just squeeze this in there.
Beautiful.
Bolt. Stick it in there. And then you get the washer. Did you?
Right here, right here.
Stick it in there.
There you go. You put a little plate facing up, making sure the bolt is a little little indentation is going basically south and north. Alrighty, so basically this is on, that is on, and now is basically to pull back the sway bar and the end link and pretty much put the tires back, lower the car, and start adjusting with the camber. So you know, it's not the hardest thing, but you do need to make sure you have the right tools. Now we need the swivel, man. All right, so pretty much stock camber arms are out, new ones are in. Gino, what's your 2 cents right now?
Well, this one we kind of adjusted it to where you kind of wanted it, and as you can see, it has a little bit of camber, which looks like it's stock camber. And from you can see, we need to definitely adjust the toe because the toe's going in. And on this one, I just left it the way it was without adjusting the camber.
And it looks like it.
And camber looks good, but it seems like it might rub on the dips here. So, because of the fender lip is not shaven or rolled in yet, so I think we should go with that side over there. So adjust this side to what that one is over there. What do you think?
I agree.
Okay. So in order to adjust the camber, we're gonna have to be moving this one from side to side, and then this is the one that adjusts the camber, and then these are just gonna be the locking nuts to prevent it from moving.
Hey.
And let's find out which side is which.
That brings it in.
That brings it in. Okay, well then let's go the opposite way then. There you go. And then this is this is gonna take a while to kind of get it to where we want it to. Or what we can also do is just do this before we drop it down. Since we know we want that one, we can get like a little measuring tape and measure out the camber on that side to see how it looks on this side from fender to tire.
Makes sense. So pretty much been talking to Gino and getting his input, and basically as of right now, I mean, we can spend all day trying to get everything kind of dialed in. It's going to be a waste of time because the toe's already off on this side, and pretty much I'm gonna have to go get it aligned anyway. So might as well just leave it like that for right now. You know, let the alignment shop do their thing, and just go from there, right, Gino?
Yeah, it's not like if you're gonna be driving this car anyway, so there's really no point of us just trying to figure this thing out, trying to set it up, just a waste of time.
Yep, and I agree. Yeah, so you know, I'm not planning on driving this car anytime soon. So the main thing was actually just taking the time and getting the parts in, which we did. And when it comes down to alignment and getting it all dialed in, well, that's what the alignment shop is for. So we're gonna go ahead, lift up the car again, tighten up all the bolts, and just call it a day when it comes, at least when it comes down to the rear end.